Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is my 64th country, Guatemala. Okay, so now I'm in the back of a tuk-tuk. I just took a 2.5-hour bus ride from the border of Guatemala to Florida, to this little city here. It's going to take us on this tuk-tuk to Flores. So it's about a 15-minute little tuk-tuk ride, and this is pretty neat. You got to experience one of these little tuk-tuks here. Let me show this to you. This is the driver here, and then this is the city itself right here, looking out. And we'll be at our destination shortly. Heading over to the island of Flores. Take a look. Take a look at Flores, an aerial view of it, high atop, looking down, going into the island of Flores. And this is it. Look at that. Nice. Quiet island of Flores in Guatemala City. Guatemala. Okay, so my first meal in Guatemala, I'm going to stop into this vegetarian food place and order myself a vegetarian burrito and see how that goes. Look at this place. Looks pretty good. So I'll actually see how good it is. This place is pretty neat. They allow you to write your country or your name on this great big huge chalkboard here. So you're seeing here. There it is. They're making their mark from Thailand. So now I'm going to sit down for my first meal in Guatemala. Ordered a burrito here. It's a vegetarian burrito. Got some hot sauce, got a watermelon drink, and let's see how this goes over right here. Should be pretty interesting. Pepper this up, and here we go. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. I honestly can't even tell that it's not meat. It's got the full fixings of everything in it, vegetables and beans, and also some soy in here. Very good. And the watermelon drink, just as good. And this is a walk along the lakeside here in Flores Island. There's the mainland over there. There's the bridge to come over into the island part of Flores. And here's Flores on this side. Let me take a walk over there to where that sign is. They have these little water taxis that you can take across to the mainland for about 10 of their money over to the ocean there. So let me continue over here, show you what else they got. Here's these little tuk-tuks, get you around here. See those all over the place. Coming and going, the cheapest and most affordable way to travel here on the island. And here's the sign welcoming you into this little island place right here. Port there. Right there, look at that. Nice. Colorful sign here. And this is where people come to relax along Flores Island, enjoy the cool breeze off the lake. This sums up Flores Island perfectly to a T. Look at how the little motorbikes are in here. They got the colorful buildings, 2-story buildings on each side, all plants with the motorbikes. Really nice. This is really a good depiction of Flores Island, if you wondered what it was about. Something right out of a postcard. Everywhere you turn on a corner on this little strip here, actually this little island really comes shining through, even bigger and better than the last corner or alley you walk down. A lot of these shops, big tourist area here, selling all kinds of things. Now you may be wondering, why is it that these buildings have the colonial architecture style? That answer is because from 1524 to 1821, Guatemala was colonized by Spain during the colonial era of history. People that come to this island are here to visit the nearby Mayan ancient ruins of Tikal. If you're planning to come to Guatemala, I highly recommend stopping by and visiting this unique island. If you would like to see my other videos on Central America, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.